Hey guys! Welcome to Crackspay channel. I am Kendra. We will be taking you through tutorials to learn how to install available cracks for various software that are useful in the architectural and design field. We will be providing direct download links for the software in the video's descriptions. We hope to save you the trouble of clicking on the many links in the internet that lead nowhere. If you find our videos useful, please like, comment and most importantly, hit the subscription button below and turn on the notifications button to get notifications about new video uploads. If you have any questions as well, or requests, just post it in the comments section and we will get back to you as soon as possible. To get started, I recommend you download the following software to ensure fast and safe downloads in the internet. 1. Malwarebytes to ensure you don't get malware installed on your computers as you surf through the internet. 2. Internet Download Manager for fast download speeds and also to ensure you can easily resume your download in case of any interruptions. 3. WinRAR to extract the downloaded zipped files. I will provide tutorials on how to install their premium features in the next videos.